Okay. Good. So just to save time and make sure that, yeah. So again, like I said in the thing, please take advantage and if possible join today, tomorrow, Monday and Tuesday because these are the only 4 days that we can get feedback and everything. So if you can, but if you can't, I understand fully. And Wednesday, I don't want to have Wednesday also. No, Wednesday there will be RPM, and also I don't want to have unnecessarily. So you Wednesday take a break, just practice at home, and Thursday, of course. Okay. I will later message, but still I would like to quickly tell that try to be at home on Thursday by 6:30. Don't try to shoot at 6:55 and come and just in a hurry take shower and then don't do those kind of things. Just relax so that your mind is at relax so you can just listen to your music. You don't need to sing, just listen to your music so that you are so आप आपके कानों में वो म्यूजिक गूंजना चाहिए because then your voice will automatically blend with the music as opposed to standing out you know वो करो keep enough like warm water don't drink too much water but keep enough water and so that you can keep little bit at a time like something like this I always have this kind of a thing like warm water don't it should not be hot but don't keep like a super cold water avoid next 1 week avoid too much oily thing too much cold thing just simple thing I mean these are just to be honest these are just common sense thing but just avoid so that your throat remains like squeaky clean so there is no
My
कुछ
throat,
खराश नहीं
my
होना
throat is
चाहिए
gone now. My throat
नो
is gone.
अभी वहां पे
नहीं
तो
उधर तो
अर्थक्वेक भी आया
मैंने
ना उसके लिए अर्थक्वेक आया वहां पे
आइसक्रीम बहुत खाया आइसक्रीम
बहुत खाया अभी अभी
और
भरपाई
केक
अभी अभी भरपाई करना पड़ेगा
मालूम नहीं अभी क्या होएगा
Okay, good. All right. So that's all. I will still message it. Make sure you reboot your system the day before, not on the day. If there's some problem, you will need to sort it out. So don't reboot an hour before because if it doesn't come up, then you are stuck. So reboot early in the morning on that day is fine. You reboot your router so that you have a clean router. Everything is the connection is all clean. Yes, some basic thing. I'll message. Yeah, yeah. Okay, and inform your family to join. We will do the sequence early next week. This way you will know the family can join, and that they can probably if they join the best is for them to join and support the whole team, like our whole shala as a whole. But at a minimum, they can join few singers before you, and once you know the sequence, you can kind of guess. Every song is about 5 minutes or so they can join 10 to 15 minutes before your thing starts, just so that you don't miss. Okay, all right. So I'll message all of these things, but I thought I'll also tell you. All right, yeah. So this is Chandan Men is already giving the clue. So this is the background that we want to use. It is simple. इसमें कुछ बहुत सारा writing नहीं है. So it is, and also the message is very very clear from the image कि हम क्या कर रहे हैं. So Chandan Men, actually, if you can, because I'm not sure if if I have this, if you can just post it in the Sangeeshala group later. Yeah. So we'll use this. If you want to change the gold to say black or something, let me know. I will do it. But otherwise, we'll use the same color. And then, I mean, based on the color of your dress that you want to decide, we may want to change the background to, for example, black or something.
I think this looks
Yeah.
good.
This is good, right? Yeah. And later we can decide if you need to have a color coding or not. Yeah. Okay. All right. So who wants to go first? Okay, Rakshavan. So Ranjan man, you can go next. Yeah. Okay.
because I'm doing the first time,
Yeah, that's okay. So I'm hoping
So
that you have practiced. Yeah.
I haven't done, but I know I confidence, So
Good.
right, yeah.
Good. 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 Yeah. Okay, Rakshavan. Please unmute and make sure everyone you have your original sound on.
छेड़ूंगी अब से तारों को तोरे न छेड़ूंगी अब से बादल न तोरे उधेड़ूंगी अब से खोलूंगी न तोरी की वड़िया फिरो ना नजर से नजरिया 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 ईट तो पहरे के पीछे न भागोगे धम धम अब की बारिश में बेरे न भीगोगे छम छम अपनी चोटी में जुगनू में कस लूंगी छम छम तोरी अटरिया लागू के नाम तोरी अटरिया मांगूंगी ना तोरी छैया फिरो ना नजर से नजरिया 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 फिरो नहीं रे नजरिया रे 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 थैंक यू
Wow, really nice. Very, very good. Yeah, it's good.
I love this song. I was listening to this song yesterday.
Oh, is it? Yeah, it's really very soft.
So I
Yeah,
want to
yeah. I
learn
felt
it.
Chandraman that you will like. I mean, I was thinking that you were like totally into the song because I could see that you were, yeah, you were singing yourself. Yeah, so
Yeah,
it's good.
I
It's
was
such a
listening to
beautiful
it
song.
yesterday.
Yeah, it's such a beautiful song. Yeah, some of these songs have a very nice flow.
And the tal is so nice.
Yeah, और इसका karaoke भी काफी अच्छा है. And you are able to blend your voice nicely into the song. So your voice is kind of getting lost in the music, which is really great.
Oh, beautiful.
Yeah, very nice.
Raksaman, which movie is that?
I'm not sure which movie is that. Do you know the movie name?
Kala
Kala.
on Netflix.
Yeah.
Beautiful movie as well.
Oh, is it?
Song is beautiful, definitely. Yeah, definitely.
Okay. So Ranjan man and so I just wanted to check because Riya has raised hand. So Riya, are you okay to go after Ranjan man, or you have something that you want to sing? And
No, it's okay. I'll go after.
you're
My
all-
review.
okay. Okay, Ranjan man. Yeah.
Okay, now I have to look. It's gone somewhere, the song. Okay. Dun 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 re sajna, dun dun re sajna, more kaal ka bala. Oh, dun 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 re sajna, dun dun re sajna, more kaal ka bala. मेरा बाला चंदा का जैसे हाला रे, मेरा बाला चंदा का जैसे हाला रे, जाने लाले लाले हाँ जाने लाले लाले मुझे मुझे लटके माला. मैं सोई थी अपने अटरिया, सपनों में डाका डाला. लुट गई निंदिया, गिर गई निंदिया, कानों से खुल गया बाला. गला मेरा भाला चंदा का जैसे हाला रे, जाने लाले लाले हाँ जाने लाले लाले मुझे मुझे लटके माला. Dun 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 re sajna, dun dun re sajna, more kaal ka bala. भाला मोरे पतिका हूँ मेरे जागी चोरी. पूछिला तोरा मनवा मेला लगी नजरिया तोरी. गला मोरा बाला चंदा का जैसे हाला रे, मेरे बाला चंदा का जैसे हाला रे, जाने लाले लाले हाँ जाने लाले लाले मुझे मुझे लटके माला. ओ dun 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 re sajna, dun dun re sajna, more kaal ka bala. भाला मोरा सजे बिखर गया झूले रे मोरे नैना. ना जानो मेरा किसने चुराया, आए ना मन पूछे ना. गला मोरा बाला चंदा का जैसे हाला रे, मेरा बाला चंदा का जैसे हाला रे, जाने लाले लाले हाँ जाने लाले लाले मुझे मुझे लटके माला. Oh dun 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 re sajna, dun dun re sajna, more kaal ka bala. Oh dun 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 re sajna, dun dun re sajna, more kaal ka bala.
Wow, Ranjan man, that was really nice. I should say that was really good. You know the best. See, this is the thing. गाना जब शुरू करते हो ना, वो करेक्ट बीट में शुरू हुआ ना, उसके बाद क्या होता है कि योर माइंड गेट्स सेट टू that style of the tabla and the style of the music, and then throughout वो maintain हो जाता है. But if you're not able to hit it, then that always becomes a problem for antara, and everywhere it kind of bothers. Okay, regardless of that, there is something I would like to do it again. आपका echo बहुत आ रहा है, so can you reduce the echo? Because क्योंकि क्या होता है कि आपका you're singing well, can you
Okay.
reduce the echo, and can you do the mukda again, please?
Okay, 1 second.
Yeah, because it's important that your voice is heard. इसमें क्या होता है कि बहुत ज़्यादा echo आता है. For song, for example, for situation like so उस किस्म की चीज़ में echo बहुत चाहिए, क्योंकि the scenery that you're on top of a mountain, Rajesh Khanna साहब वहाँ पे कर रहे हैं, so that is different, but we don't want too much echo here, but you need echo, because but we don't want too much. Yeah, so can
Kiran
you do
bhai,
it again?
मैंने ना echo and music I put on same level, and my voice is
Yeah, so whatever is the echo level, don't change anything except echo. So reduce the echo by a decent amount. Yeah. Don't turn it off. Yeah. Yeah. Okay.
Okay. डूडू रे साजना डूडू रे साजना मोरे कान का बाला डूडू डूडू रे साजना डूडू रे साजना मोरे कान का बाला
Yeah, it's good. I wanted to test one more thing, whether your start will be correct again.
I don't know, maybe I'm gifted. I always start at the right beat.
Yeah. So this song
I
certainly.
always try to start at the right beat, and I can do it. I'm gifted that way.
Yeah. So which is important. नहीं तो क्या होता है कि the mind gets set कि अरे यार बराबर नहीं हुआ ऐसा. So the mind में constantly it will be there while you're singing. It should not bother you. Make sure that your start is very, very right. And same thing, start of the antara, start of every antara should be as perfect as possible. This way you're not trying to chase the karaoke. So,
Okay.
yeah. Okay, good. So you're all set. I mean, your volume, everything seems good.
Okay, thanks.
Yeah. We can now go to, okay, Riya and Vinod Bhai. Yeah.
Hi, Jai Shri Krishna.
Hi, Jai Shri Krishna. So, Riya, I was thinking maybe Monday or even probably Tuesday, let us do what you will be doing on the day. Meaning, you play it on the TV, and do it like as if it is a show, because we want to make sure that, I mean, like all of us are doing the same thing that we'll do on the show days, because this way nothing changes. So don't change any setting for any show or anything. Once you have started practicing, because in the last 1 week we really don't know. So instead of trying to test anything on that day, I think best maybe either Monday or Tuesday, let us test it out. Exactly as if you're going to sing that day, because you got 2 devices, right? And TV, actually 3 devices you got, right? So basically you need setup. So maybe over the weekend you can set and test and everything, but let's do it on Monday or Tuesday. Okay, all right? Yeah, okay.
There's one classical in between where I'm getting stuck on, so I'm trying to practice that part, but I still haven't got it.
Which part?
It's a classical part in between the 2 paragraphs, big paragraphs.
Okay. Like if you want, we can have a separate session for you, because that your song is very different and very, it involves a lot of sargams. So we can separate. I can try to help you and give some pointers, and then you can do it. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Since I sang the male version, I can really help you out with. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Okay. You can do it, Riya. Like 100%, I'm sure you can do it.
Can you hear it?
Yeah.
मेरे ढोलना सुन, मेरे प्यार की धुन, मेरे ढोलना सुन. मेरे ढोलना सुन, मेरे प्यार की धुन, मेरे ढोलना सुन, मेरी चाहते तो फिजा में रहेगी, जिंदा रहेगी, होगी फना. तननतुम 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 तान घेर ना, मेरे ढोलना सुन, मेरे प्यार की साथी रे मरती भी तुझको चाहेगा दिल, तुझे ही बेचैनियों में पाएगा दिल। साथी रे मरती भी तुझको चाहेगा दिल, तुझे ही बेचैनियों में पाएगा दिल। मुझे शौक सा है ये तेरा तो खुशबू है, तेरे बगैर क्या जीना, मेरे उम्रों में तू है। मैं चूड़ियों के कन से तेरी सदाई आती है, ये दूरियां हमेशा ही नजदीक में लाती है ओ पिया। मेरे भोलेनाथ सुन, मेरे प्यार की धुन, मेरे भोलेनाथ। सांसों में तेरी सरगमी है, अब रात दिन। जिंदगी मेरी तो कुछ ना अब तेरे बिन। सांसों में तेरी सरगमी है, अब रात दिन। जिंदगी मेरी तो कुछ राहों में अब तेरे बिन। धड़कनों की सरगोशी मेरी धड़कनों उड़ती है, मेरी दागनी निगाहों में ख्वाहिश तेरी सजती है। मेरे ख्याल में हर पल तेरी ख्वाहिश शामिल है। लम्हे जुदाइयों वाले मुश्किल बड़े ही मुश्किल है ओ पिया। Nisa 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 dhani 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 pagu 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 nisa. Pani nisa pani nisa pani nisa pani nisa. Gaur pada ni da pada ni da pada nisa. Dhani 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 dhani. Sa ga ga ma ma ga ga ni dha. Oh. मेरे भोलेनाथ सुन, मेरे प्यार की धुन, मेरे ढोलनाथ।
Yeah. You sang really well. There are only now I understand. There are two places where you need to. Then you'll be able to do it. Don't worry. We don't even need to have a separate class. I mean, unless you think it is required. But I think you will crack on your own. There's really nothing much other than just repeating things. So let me ask you one thing.
Mm-hmm.
Is your scale lower, or you're specifically you're singing it at a lower thing? Because the song is at a higher pitch.
Yeah, I can't go that high.
Oh, okay,
So
okay, okay.
I'm
Good,
trying.
good. No, yeah. So if you realize that and you're dropping, which is great, actually, that is a mark of a good singer, because you don't try to stretch unnecessarily, because the high of the song is high, right? So you don't. So if you start to begin with high, then you will get stuck there. Yeah. So it's fine. I just wanted to confirm that. Yeah. And other than that, I think you got the song pretty nicely. All the paragraphs are good. Just smoothen it out, and that's it. And these two places, you do it, and then you're set. So make sure that you do these two places, because this way there's no gap there. And even if you don't get the exact note, it is okay. But don't let it go as a gap. Okay. So I'm pretty
And
sure. Sorry.
did you find the original karaoke? Because this one has Shreya Ghoshal in it.
Oh, I didn't hear Shreya Ghoshal in it.
There is one in it. So like if I would play on thing on the TV.
Oh, okay, okay. You know what? Actually, just ping me. I'll message and get it from Veena, because I've sent the right one to Veena. I'm not able to somehow. I have not searched everywhere. And
If you can't find it, it's fine because I'll use this. It's fine.
yeah, no. Veena has it. So I've sent it to her, right? Because she used it. So I'm pretty sure she can send it to me. Yeah. Oh, but surprisingly, I didn't hear it. Which
Well,
is
it's
a
like
which is a
very
credit for
slight,
you.
then you can hear it if I stop like at the end.
Yeah, yeah.
If I
Then
don't go
again.
long whole
Yeah,
line.
yeah. Okay, okay. I'll get it anyway, because if you make any mistake, otherwise we will hear her voice, right, which will not sound good then.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, okay. We'll do that. Yeah. All right. So Vinod by singing now, or do you want to sing later?
You might just sing now because I'm just
Okay.
there.
Sure,
Okay.
sure. True. Okay, so the little guru is there.
Wait a minute. Okay.
मेरे महबूब कयामत होगी रुसवा तेरी गलियों में मोहब्बत होगी मेरी नजरें तो गिला करती है तेरे दिल को भी सनम तुझसे शिकायत होगी मेरे महबूब तेरी गली में आता सनम नगमा वफा का गाता सनम तुझसे सुनाना चाहता सनम दिल आज इधर आया हूँ मगर ये कहने में दीवाना बस आज ये बहशत होगी आज इस रात तेरी गलियों में मोहब्बत होगी
मेरे महबूब मेरी तरफ वाहिद तू भी किसी से प्यार करे और रहे वो तुझसे करे पूरे सितम आए सितम तेरे तू भूल न जाना तेरे तुझसे दीनायत होगी आज तेरी गलियों में मोहब्बत होगी मेरे महबूब कयामत होगी आज तेरी गलियों में मोहब्बत होगी मेरी नजरें पगला करती है तेरे मिलने को भी सनम तुझे से शिकायत होगी मेरे महबूब
Yeah, Vinod, but this song really sounds, nice for you. It is better than last time, but try to fix, if possible, the start of the song. That वो जो beat pattern है ना, and the same struggle that happens in the antara also, because you tend to start, I think, late. So make sure that if possible do that. If not, the way it is sounding is good. There's nothing wrong. But I'm just saying, if you can, you try to fix the start point as accurately as possible. Okay. But otherwise, you're singing great. There is no. It has become much smoother now. It will become even smoother, and it will sound really smooth once it is fully blended with the beat. Okay. All right. Good. Yeah. And it's getting much better for sure. And Monday or something we will test all the TV, and so yeah. So the song will be played on TV then.
Yeah, the song will be played
be
on TV, the
TV.
audio would be iPad, and then camera would be laptop.
So from the TV you'll be playing it on a speaker, which will be caught by the microphone on the iPad.
The TV has its own speaker, so we're just using their speaker.
Sorry, what is that?
So the TV speakers, we're not having like inbuilt speakers put in,
Okay.
so we're just gonna use it like that, yeah.
Yeah, so the sound will be coming straight off of TV, right? The TV
Yeah.
speakers, and that will be caught by the microphone on the iPad, which is doing the Zoom, right?
Mhm.
Okay.
Yeah. The other laptop would be sorted by September. Actually, yeah, September.
Yeah, no worries. Yeah, no worries. But at
Um,
least we can, we can make sure that this whole 3 device thing is all set properly then on Monday or something. Okay? All right? Cool. Okay.
Then on Monday, we'll show you how we are getting on the TV and.
Yeah. Okay. All right, cool. Thank you. Yeah. Okay, who wants to go next? Okay, in a minute ago. So, is there anybody who wants to go ahead than others? It doesn't matter. Then, okay, Madhuben, you want to go first? Then Champa Ben and Neela Ben, or if you want to go ahead, just let me know. Otherwise, Madhuben, you.
Thank you.
Okay.
बड़ा नट खट है रे कृष्ण कन्हैया का करे यशोदा मैया हो बड़ा नट खट है रे कृष्ण कन्हैया का करे यशोदा मैया हो, बड़ा नटखट है रे। ढूंढे रे अखियाँ उसे चाहूं, जाने कहाँ छुप गया नंद किशोर। ढूंढे रे अखियाँ उसे चाहूं, जाने कहाँ छुप गया नंद किशोर। उड़ गया ऐसे, उड़ गया ऐसे, जैसे पुरवैया का कर यशोदा मैया हो, बड़ा नटखट है रे। आ तो है मैं गले से लगा लूं, लागे ना किसी की नजर मन में छुपा लूं। आ तो है मैं गले से लगा लूं, लागे न किसी की नजर मन में छुपा लूं। धूप जगत है रे, धूप जगत है रे, ममता है छैया का करे यशोदा मैया हो, बड़ा नटखट है रे। मेरे जीवन का तू एक ही सपना, जो कोई देखे तो है समझे वो अपना। मेरे जीवन का तू एक ही सपना, जो कोई देखे तो है समझे वो अपना। सबका है प्यारा, सबका है प्यारा, बंसी बजैया का करे यशोदा मैया हो, बड़ा नटखट है रे। कृष्ण कन्हैया का करे यशोदा मैया, का करे यशोदा मैया, का करे यशोदा मैया।
Good, good, very good. This song is nicely now it's nicely in your system. You're on the beat, good on the pitch. You're able to, sing the song really well. It's nice though. If there is any improvement that I want to say is what I can, suggest is that listen to the original song and try to get to the tone. बिकॉज इस गाने में बहुत क्या बोलते हैं उसको, बहुत ठहराव और बहुत आराम से गाया हुआ गाना है. So, लता दीदी ने बहुत ऐसा वेरी calmly, because it's for the small child, right? So it is sung in a very calm tone. You're already doing it, but you can make it better.
Okay.
So,
Yes, thank you.
yeah. Okay, and keep the microphone little bit away.
Oh, yes.
Yeah. If you can't do that, I mean, because since you are, normally used to it, then try to reduce the input volume.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah. Okay, and इसके
Can I
बाद
go? I
okay.
want to go. Ram
Okay,
bhai,
okay, sure, yeah.
can I?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, okay.
So, which is your song? Let me.
My song is, I think, is 1951, very old song.
Oh, C में,
It's a hit gold
yeah, C
classic,
में, yeah, C
Yeah,
में
C में.
yeah, so like,
Yeah.
okay.
Yeah, that's right, yeah. Music हो रहा है? Music. सीने में सुलगती है अरमान, आँखों में उदासी छाई है, ये आज तेरी दुनिया से हमें तकदीर कहाँ ले आई है. सीने में सुलगती है अरमान. कुछ आँख में आंसू बाकी है जो मेरे गम के साथी है, जो मेरे गम के साथी है. अब दिल है ना दिल के अरमान है, अब दिल है ना दिल के अरमान है, बस मैं हूँ मेरी तन्हाई है. सीने में सुलगती है अरमान. ना तुझसे गिला कोई हमको, ना कोई शिकायत दुनिया से. दो चार कदम जब मंजिल थी, दो चार कदम जब मंजिल थी, किस्मत ने ठोकर खाई है. सीने में सुलगती है अरमान. एक ऐसी आग लगी बन में, जीने भी न दी, मरने भी न दी. चुप हूँ तो कलेजा जलता है, चुप हूँ तो कलेजा है सीने में सुलगती है बात। Thank you.
Sheila, man, that was good. I mean, the good thing is, it looks like you know the song nicely because you are on the beat and you're not stumbling in any part of the song.
This one will be okay?
Yeah, this should be
Oh.
fine. The only thing my suggestion would be, see, ये song मेरे ख्याल से duet है, right? ये तलत साहब का और लता मंगेशकर.
Actually, I heard in the YouTube it's only Talat Mehmood singing.
No, it is Talat Mehmood and
Lata Mangeshkar.
yeah, Lata Mangeshkar also because this is both Dharmendra.
Yeah, yeah.
Is it Dharmendra? Dharmendra and
No. It's Dilip Kumar and Madhubala.
Dilip Kumar and Madhubala. Yeah, Madhubala I remember. Yeah.
Very old song. Yeah.
No, yeah. So this is a beautiful song. See, all Talat songs, na, जलते हैं जिसके लिए उनका आवाज it's like a floating voice है. It's a very soft and floating voice. So so when you're singing nicely. Sing like that only, but don't stress your
Go high.
no, high is fine because Lata Didi ka the voice high hai. And what I'm saying is don't stress your vocal cord. It has to come soft. Because Lata Didi specifically for Talat Mehmood, na, they sing slightly differently. So make sure that you don't stress your voice. Okay? Yeah. And एकदम आराम से गाओ और थोड़ा माइक्रोफोन दूर रखना क्योंकि the more you keep nearer ना it will
Going
slightly आवाज split होता है just yeah so even if you keep it far believe me the microphone will catch all those sound very clearly. Okay. All right. Okay, Champa Ben wanted to go next, right? Yeah.
मोहब्बत झूठी कहानी के रोए मोहब्बत झूठी कहानी के रोए बड़ी चोट खाई के जवानी की रोए मोहब्बत झूठी कहानी के रोए न सोचा न समझा न देखा न भाया तेरी आरज़ू ने हमें मार डाला तेरे प्यार की मेहरबानी पे रोए मोहब्बत की झूठी कहानी के रोए बड़ी चोट खाई है जवानी के रोए खबर क्या थी होठों को सीना पड़ेगा मोहब्बत छुपा के भी जीना पड़ेगा
ये तो मगर जिंदगानी पे रोए रोए, मोहब्बत की झूठी कहानी पे रोए, बड़ी चोट खाई है जवानी पे रोए, जवानी पे रोए, मोहब्बत की झूठी कहानी पे रोए, कहानी पे रोए. Yeah, I practice a lot to on my scale,
Yeah,
as you said last time.
yeah, yeah.
It was difficult.
Correct, correct. No, it is it is much better, to be honest. It's nice you're able to sing, but your mind is still for some reason switching the scale, and you're starting at the so मोहब्बत की झूठी आपका वो स्केल करेक्ट है. एट सम पॉइंट यू सडनली ड्रॉप द स्केल, लाइक आई एम नॉट श्योर व्हाई. एंड और उस जगह में कोई ऐसा लो स्केल की कोई जरूरत नहीं, बट समहाउ योर माइंड इज स्विचिंग इट. बट दैट्स ओके, डोंट फाइट इट आउट. You're singing good, you're singing well, it's fine. If you can adjust, if you can not drop that scale, it will be fine, because I think you can certainly do it, but we really don't have that much time to correct it, unfortunately. नहीं है, but अगर आप self correct कर सकते हैं तो
Yeah,
ये
yeah.
अच्छा हो. Yeah,
I
yeah,
will
please try to
practice
do it.
further.
Because it is very easy. As soon as you hear, you suddenly know, आपने मोहब्बत की आप suddenly shift करते हो to lower scale. I'm not sure exactly why. Maybe that is how you learned it as a child or something. It is so much deeply ingrained into your mind. You're not able to, while singing, you're not realizing. Afterwards, you're realizing that, you have done it. But while singing, it naturally comes out. उसको correct करने को थोड़ा, अगर हो सकते तो करो, नहीं तो don't worry. Like, unfortunately, we won't have much time. We just have only a couple of classes left, So, yeah.
I will still practice.
Yeah. Because since you sing well, because since you understand what I'm also saying, my gut feeling says that you will be fixing it in the next few days for sure. Yeah, or at least it will be much better. Even better. You already changed quite a bit in the last 2 classes, so I think you can fix it.
Yeah, I did little bit humming, like and then
Yeah, that is the best way. That is the best way, because humming में क्या होता है कि you don't have to stress it, right? So, and you can hear it, and you can hear the music very, very clearly. So you can hum properly to the music scale, and then or whichever scale you pick, But yeah, you'll do it. Don't worry. Okay. Okay.
Thank you.
All right. Thank you, Chamapan, for attempting it at least. Okay. Who wants to go next? Like Ashaben? Yeah.
By our believing.
Yeah, sure. Okay. Yeah, no problem, Madhuben. Yeah. Okay. Like Ashaben? Yeah. You're muted, Ashaben?
All right. This is the first time I'm singing, so I will. Well, let's see how it goes. Yeah.
The first time? No, you sang. Oh, you changed the song, is it?
Last time. Yeah, I think I sang last time. But
Yeah, you did. You
it
did.
was
Yeah.
very quick one. Yeah.
Yeah.
All right. Let me try. सब कुछ सीखा हमने, ना सीखी होशियारी. सब कुछ सीखा हमने, ना सीखी होशियारी. दुनिया ने कितना समझाया, कौन है अपना कौन पराया. फिर भी दिल की चोट छुपाकर हमने आपका दिल बहलाया। खुद ही मर मिटने की ये जिद है हमारी, खुद ही मर मिटने की ये जिद है हमारी। सच है दुनिया वालों के हम हैं अनाड़ी। दिल का चमन उजड़ते देखा, प्यार का रंग उतरते देखा। हमने हर जीने वालों को धन दौलत से मरते देखा। दिल पे मरने वाले मरेंगे भिखारी, दिल पे मरने वाले मरेंगे भिखारी। सबके दुनिया वालों के हम हैं अनाड़ी। असली नकली चेहरे देखे, दिल पे सौ सौ पहरे देखे। मेरे दुखते दिल से पूछो, क्या क्या ख्वाब सुनहरे देखे। टूटा सितारे पे नजर थी हमारी, टूटा सितारे पे नजर थी हमारी। सब कुछ सीखा हमने ना सीखी होशियारी, सब कुछ सीखा। I did so many mistakes.
Yeah, yeah. That is true. Like, unfortunately, you did. But I have a question for you. I think the reason is ये गाना आपके जहन में घुसा हुआ नहीं है. That is the problem. Meaning, इस गाने का जो उसका जो सारांश है ना, वो आपके अंदर नहीं गया है। उसके बिना ये गाना, क्योंकि उसका ट्यून में भी फिर लाइक इवन इन द अंतरा ना, द ट्यून इज नॉट गेटिंग सेट. इज देयर, though it is kind of little late to ask this question, but since we have not heard this song before, right? So is there another song that you're really comfortable with, you can do well, so that in the next 2 days you can just pick that song without having to worry? Because इसमें tune, see Ashraf, and like I just want to make sure that in front of like 150 200 people, right? We don't want to pick a song where it appears as if we're literally trying on the screen, because that is not a good thing to do. So my suggestion is that it will be good to pick a very well-known song for you, so that you know for sure, what, if I pick the song, I'll do it. I don't need like too much of practice or something. Agar hai to fir then we can do it tomorrow. I mean, you can pick the song. You don't answer now. You can pick the song, do it tomorrow, then Monday, Tuesday, and also at home you can do it, the weekend and everything. So we can make that song sound better than doing this song. I really don't think that in the next 3 days you will be able to catch up and make it smoother, this song, because you're not in that mode, because so unfortunately, as you know, we only had 3 weeks, right, to pick and do everything. So that's my suggestion. But on the other hand, if you think that, what, this is the best thing that you want to do, then we'll do it. Don't worry. So I'm not saying don't do it, but if there's something else, I think that will be better,
Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
I will
So
I will
think about
think
it.
it over. I will think it over.
Yeah,
and-
using so many songs. I already know, because last time and all you sang such beautiful song. So yeah. So think about it, and we can separately also talk, and
Yeah.
if you want, I can help you to pick the song. Don't worry.
All right. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Thank
Yeah.
you.
Yeah. Who wants to go next? Lata Ben? Yeah. Oh, sorry. Oh, दोनों बहनें हुई अभी. यार तुम लोग ही डिसाइड करो कौन फर्स्ट जा रहा है. So Lataben, I mean, I'm telling you, I could not resist that day. I was just going in the thing and you sent me the link. मैं सुना हो मेरे को इतना अच्छा लगा. मैं बोला यार ये 2 लाइन तो गाना ही है ये गाने का बहुत ही अच्छा गाना है वो.
Very nice.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. All right. So you can go and then. Yeah.
बरसे बादलवा मस्त हवाएं आई पिया घर आजा पिया घर आजा हो रुंझु बरसे बादलवा मस्त हवाएं आई पिया घर आजा पिया घर आजा काले काले बादल खिड़की आगे आगे ऐसे में झांकी चुनवा ढागे ढागे सागर कैसे भी तेरे सागर कैसे भी तेरे मैं कहा तुम कहा ओ मोरे राजा आजा ओ मोरे राजा हो रुंझु बरसे बादलवा मस्त हवाएं आई पिया घर आजा पिया घर आजा मुझ विरह के हाल पे बादल रोते हैं मुझ विरह के हाल पे बादल रोते हैं मालूम हमरी आँख मूंद कर सोते हैं हमको नींद न आए हमको नींद न आए रे याद सताए तूने मुख देखना जा आजा मुख देखना जा हो रुंझु बरसे बादलवा मस्त हवाएं आई पिया घर आजा पिया घर आजा काकर तू ऐसों से उल्फत खो गए उनके मस्त नैन में खो गए प्यासे दो नैनवा प्यासा जो बन मोरा मुरी कसम आजा हो रुंझु बरसे बादलवा मस्त हवाएं आई पिया घर आजा हो रुंझु बरसे बादलवा
Good, Lataben. That was really nice. आपका the intermediate music and everything now it's all like nicely gelled and everything's very smooth. So it's good. I think, yeah, there's really no suggestion as such. You can make it smoother and smoother, obviously, but I think,
Yeah,
yeah,
just in the second and try is bit higher, but I will try and do it.
yeah. So you can smoothen it out for sure, but otherwise you already got it nicely.
In my head, I don't have to look the paper. Just
Ah,
sing it.
yeah, that is the best way to sing. Yeah. Okay, so Chandan man, you want to? So Chandan, which is your song?
मोह मोह के धागे.
Oh, correct. Moh moh ke dhage. Moh moh ke dhage. Okay. So Chandan man, sorry. Sorry.
मोह मोह के धागे, मोह मोह के धागे. ये मोह मोह के धागे तेरी उंगलियों से जा उलझे. ये मोह मोह के धागे तेरी उंगलियों से जा उलझे. कोई टोह टोह ना लागे, किस तरह गिर ये सुलझे. हे रोम रोम एक तारा, हे रोम रोम एक तारा जो बादलों में से गुजरे. ये मोह मोह के धागे तेरी उंगलियों से जा उलझे. कोई टोह टोह ना लागे, किस तरह गिर ये सुलझे. तू हो गजर पागल, तूने मुझको है चुना. तू हो गजर पागल, तूने मुझको है चुना. कैसे दुनिया ने कहा, दुनिया ने कहा सब सुना. तू हो गजर पागल, तूने मुझको है चुना. तो दिन सा है मेरा आना, दोनों मिल जाए शामों की तरह. ये मोह मोह के धागे तेरी उंगलियों से जा उलझे. कोई टोह टोह ना लागे, किस तरह गिर ये सुलझे. कि तेरी झूठी बातें में सारी मान लूं. कि तेरी झूठी बातें में सारी मान लूं. आँखों से तेरे सच सभी सब कुछ अभी जान लूं. कि तेरी झूठी बातें में सारी मान लूं. तेज है तेरा महते से हम आवारा, हाथ थम के सांसें ले यहाँ. ये मोह मोह के धागे तेरी उंगलियों से जाए, कोई टोह टोह ना लागे, किस तरह गिरहार सुलझे।
So Chandan, that was really good. I think you're singing obviously well, and it's sounding great. The You can listen to the recordings. I think what has happened is, I think there was an internet issue. So I mean, at least for me,
Could be.
it was the voice. So your voice, I mean, it's as if you're in the middle. You're the latter part was better. In the middle, it was like you're singing too fast. The speed was too fast, and the whole thing, and then it'll like slow down, and that kind of thing. And
I think it's the internet issue.
yeah. No, because you were not singing fast, right? Because it was suddenly like singing fast, and also at some point I felt it was off. So I won't trust that, but still listen to the recording. This way you will know what I'm saying.
Yeah.
But separately, I'm pretty sure if you're in the room, I'm assuming that you're on the beat and everything is fine. At the latter part, it is much better. So it was much better, but in the initial part, it was.
Yeah, no, because I know I have got a internet issue here.
Oh, is it? Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So that that's for sure. In the recording, you will know it's pretty clear. Yeah. But otherwise, the song choice is great. You're singing great. It will be good. Yeah. Is this so? Who has sung this song? Do you know?
The it's
female version.
Monali Thakur?
Monali Thakur, right?
Monali, yeah.
The female version, because it also has a male version.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. All right. So who wants to go next? Okay. Okay. Bhaktiben and then Divya. Is that okay? Yeah. So Divya, you want to go first? Do you want to go first? Okay.
Yeah, if you
Is
don't
that
mind.
is that okay, Bhaktiben? Okay. All right. Okay, Divya. Yeah.
एक प्यार का नगमा है, मौजों की रवानी है। एक प्यार का नगमा है, मौजों की रवानी है। जिंदगी और कुछ भी नहीं, तेरी मेरी कहानी है। एक प्यार का नगमा है, मौजों की रवानी है। जिंदगी और कुछ भी नहीं, तेरी मेरी कहानी है। एक प्यार का नगमा है। La 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 la, la 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 उम्र जुदाई है, जिंदगी और कुछ भी नहीं, तेरी मेरी कहानी है, एक प्यार का नगमा है। तू दाही नदियों की, मैं तेरा किनारा हूँ, तू मेरा सहारा है, मैं तेरा सहारा हूँ, आँखों में समंदर है, आशाओं का पानी है, जिंदगी और कुछ भी नहीं, तेरी मेरी कहानी है, एक प्यार का नगमा है। La 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 la, la 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 la, तूफान तो आना है, आकर चल जाना है, बादल है कुछ पल का, छाकर ढल जाना है, परछाइयाँ रह जाती निशानी है, जिंदगी और कुछ भी नहीं, तेरी मेरी कहानी है, एक प्यार का नगमा है, मौजों की रवानी है, जिंदगी और कुछ भी नहीं, तेरी मेरी कहानी है, एक प्यार का नगमा है।
Good, Divya. That was really good. Very, very nice. Just in your own mind, just listen to the recording and smoothen it. I don't have any really suggestion. The one mistake occurred for you, and it took more than probably like 80-90 seconds for you to correct it. In the Mukada, आफ्टर द फर्स्ट राउंड ऑफ एक सो एक बार जब भी वो फिर से शुरू होता है, you went slightly offbeat and you were trying to constantly
Yes,
correct it,
yes, yeah.
and see, that is the price to pay, right? I mean, once the mistake occurs, because the mind is always now ahead, so now you are not able to correct it, though you can correct it in theory if you so ऐसा टाइम में क्या करना चाहिए? You know, the way the thing that I do is when our mistake I close my eyes, I listen to the music very sharply, and catch up at the next line, you know, the nearest possible time. This way so the mistake is for very, like, only for a gap, and then you immediately are back on track. Like, otherwise, if you let's say if you are behind or if you are ahead and you sing at the same rate, so now you'll be constantly behind the music because you are not trying to catch up. So I immediately close my eyes to figure out ki kahan par music है, and then cut short the line or stretch the line a little bit so that I can blend, and then start with the thing.
No, was it the whole one? Only one mukhra?
Oh, no. In the Mukda, I mean, if you listen to so Mukda means the initial part. The
Oh,
initial part of
initial
me,
bit.
or like Ek Pyar Ka Nagma hai, the whole loop is
First part.
the short part. So it is sung twice, right? I mean,
Yes.
Ek Pyar Ka, so wo full loop होने के बाद, you know, फिर से Ek Pyar Ka. The second time is somewhere right in the beginning you went slightly off and then you remained off. You know.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, listen to the recording.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Oh,
okay.
you did not realize it?
I might have realized it, but अभी मुझे याद नहीं
Okay. No, if you did not realize it, then that is not a good thing.
है. No, I thought I did, but now
Yeah.
I'll have to think about it.
Yeah. So
No,
okay,
because मेरा
but
ताल-
otherwise the song is really nice. It suits you well. You're on the beat. It's a nice song. The only other thing from a delivery perspective I can tell is because ये song है, it has a बहुत calm song है, right? Yeah, try to though the pitch is high, it is a very calm song. So try to keep that thing, sing calmly. You're doing it already, but that is the only thing I would say. Yeah.
Okay.
But other than that, really nothing.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, so who is left? I think Suresh Bhai and the other Lata. And Bhaktiben, 3. Yeah. So Bhaktiben, you want to go? Yeah.
Yeah, thank you. Virendra won't be joining today. He will join tomorrow.
Okay. Yeah, I was about to ask you. Yeah. Okay.
हंसने किया याद सी सनम, सुन रहे
Yeah, so Bhaktivan, this song is sounding good for you, and you're right on beat, and everything seems good. So the only question I have is there a way you can reduce the volume of the music?
Yeah, just a little bit lower on the actual device, that's all.
Yeah, because your like आपका म्यूजिक का वॉल्यूम बहुत हाई है as compared to your own voice.
Ah, okay, okay. Yeah,
Yeah.
I think it's just I had a high volume, so I need to just reduce on my, yeah.
Yeah, so if you can reduce that, and can you
Yeah, I
just
can do
sing?
it.
Did you reduce it now?
Yeah,
Can you sing again just the initial part?
okay, I'll do that.
Because your voice is kind of not being heard. No, आपने बहुत बहुत ज़्यादा reduce कर दिया शायद.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah.
It's high. Is it enough?
Okay. Okay. Now you sing.
Okay, I think I should go there. Sorry. वक्त ने किया क्या हंसी सितम, तुम रहे न तुम, हम रहे न हम, वक्त ने किया क्या हंसी. Is that okay?
Yeah. Better for sure. So I just leave it like that. Okay.
Just keep that, yeah?
Yeah.
Let me just.
Just keep like that. Yeah. Just remember the setting. In case you're changing it, just remember it.
Yeah, that's why I'm just
Yeah,
quick
because
checking. Yeah.
because your voice should not be drowned into the music, because then it won't be heard properly.
Well, I actually lowered my voice just to get the feel of the song. That's why.
Oh yeah. No. Yeah, to get the feel of the song is one thing versus the volume of the voice is.
Yeah.
Because
Yeah.
no, I'm glad because I can I can see that you are trying to do that, which is great. Which is great, yeah.
Okay.
Okay, so now who is left? Suresh Bhai and Lata M. Okay, who wants to go? लता जी आप कुछ बोल रहे हैं?
I'm leaving now.
हाँ, you are living. Okay, sure, no problem. Don't worry. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, Suresh Bhai और लता M. Okay, लता जी आप like आप जा रहे हैं लता M?
Yeah, I'll go.
Okay, go ahead. Yeah.
Thank you. किस लिए मैंने प्यार किया, दिल को यूं ही बेकरार किया, शाम सवेरे तेरी राह देखी, रात दिन इंतजार किया हो, किस लिए मैंने प्यार किया, दिल को यूं ही बेकरार किया, शाम सवेरे तेरी राह देखी, रात दिन इंतजार किया हो, किस लिए मैंने प्यार किया.
That was good.
This incredible
Oh.
4,000 dollars. Wait, no, not this one. This incredible $4,000 piano.
Okay. All right. Yeah. So I can. I'm sorry. What I want to say was you're singing well. It's nice. This song certainly suits you. For some reason, I feel that you're holding it. You're holding your voice instead of throwing it out more. So I feel that बिना कोई झिझक से गाओ. Don't worry, you're singing well, so that should be heard well also. So don't hold your voice back. Okay. But this song is nice for you. You're the pitch required for the song. You're on the beat, so the song certainly suits you well. Okay. Don't hesitate to sing bindas.
Are you saying I should
Go for it.
sing
So
louder?
think that आपको stage में आग लगाना है, and not somewhere where you're like scared to throw your voice out. Don't do that. Don't let the voice go the way the song. So this song is not like a Kishore Da ka yodeling गाना नहीं है. Very control song है, but at the same time, Lata Di's voice in the song, she confidently throws it out. किस लिए मैंने प्यार किया, the voice is thrown out, not किस लिए मैंने प्यार किया, and there is, don't hold back your voice, don't it has to go out. Okay, throw it out so that it will be heard properly. If you can't do it, if this is your style, it's perfectly fine. Then don't artificially try to do it. If you can do it, do it. If you can't do it, don't do it. Yeah. Okay. Maybe this is your style and you can't. But I would say that you should do it. You should you should practice to get your voice out there. Don't usko hold करके मत रखना. Okay. All right, Suresh bhai.
Sorry, I was a bit late.
No, I know. I'm glad that your laptop finally
Yeah,
back. Yeah.
I think it's the first time that it's played up.
Yeah, because you attend almost every all of our Zooms. So
Okay, here we go. जिंदा हो इस तरह के गमे जिंदगी नहीं, चलता हुआ दिया हूँ मगर रोशनी नहीं। जिंदा हो इस तरह के गमे जिंदगी नहीं, चलता हुआ दिया हूँ मगर रोशनी नहीं। जिंदा हो इस तरह के गमे। वो मुद्दतें हुई है किसी से जुदा हुए, वो मुद्दतें हुई है किसी से जुदा हुए, लेकिन ये दिल की आग अभी तक बुझी नहीं। जिंदा हो इस तरह के गमे। आने को आ चुका था किनारा भी सामने,
आने को आ चुका था किनारा भी सामने, खुद उसके पास ही मेरी नैया गई नहीं। जिंदा हूँ इस तरह के गमे, होठों के पास आए हंसी क्या मजाल है, होठों के पास आए हंसी क्या मजाल है। दिल का मुआमला है कोई दिल लगी नहीं। जिंदा हूँ इस तरह के गमे, ये चांद ये हवा ये फसा सब है मंद मंद। ये चांद ये हवा ये फसा सब है मंद मंद। जब तू नहीं तो इनमें कोई दिलकशी नहीं। जिंदा हूँ इस तरह के गमे, जिंदगी नहीं। जलता हुआ दिया हूँ मगर रोशनी नहीं। जिंदा हूँ इस तरह के गमे, जिंदगी नहीं।
So Suresh, this was like as far as the beat, because you are singing well. This
Yeah.
song suits also, but from a beat perspective, we had a problem last week, right? So
Yeah.
this is much better now.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah, much better now, and I feel that in the next 2-3 days it will become even better. Just work on that one. Okay, मतलब जैसा वो म्यूजिक है ना, ना 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 जिंदा हूँ इस तरह. So just follow the music very tightly, and since just so even if you want to look at the screen, just remember the initial, let's say half of the line by heart. कि जिंदा हूँ चालू होता है. Then close your eyes, because you know that it's going to start, right? And just close your eyes and then and go for it. If you are not able to do it, it's okay. Then you keep your eyes open because you want to read the screen. But otherwise, my suggestion is so that just follow the music very tightly, or look at the screen, but make sure that you're listening rather than looking more. Yeah, and do it. I bet you will by Monday you'll be much better. Yeah.
Thank you very much. Thank
All
you.
right. So I think that concludes the day. Any other questions? So Ashaben, I can help you out, or if you already know the song, just
I think I will let you know.
okay. Yeah. So don't worry. And if you think I can help in any way, please let me know. All right. Yeah, that's it. Any other questions, anybody? Yes, Suresh bhai.
Just one question. When I saw Ilaben's backdrop, it had a date of Friday the 3rd of something. So are you going to send us a new backdrop?
Yeah. I will. So I'll send that out. I've asked her to send me the thing so I can erase the
Yeah.
date and put a new date there. Yeah.
Yeah, because Ilaben had the 3rd of May or something
Right.
date.
No, we'll
Yeah.
fix that. And the Chandanmen had one without date. We had used it for something, but that had a gold background. So I will let the folks decide if they want to do a color coding or something. Interesting. I'm not really into it, but if they want to decide a uniform color, which I think will be tough for 15 to 20 people to do, but if they want to do it, then accordingly I will choose the background. And so instead of black, we can choose maroon or green, dark green or something like that. But I will. So I'll send this out black in general is good because all colors look nice on black, except black itself will be
Yeah.
the kind of lost. But yeah, but I'll do that next week. Okay.
Okay.
All right.
Thank
So
you.
we are still meeting tomorrow. In case if you're free, take advantage so that you can. This will become smoother and smoother and smoother. Okay. Yeah. If not, we'll see you on Monday.
Thank you.
Okay. Chalo. Bye.
Okay. Good night, everybody.